Hey, yo, what up? It's Aaron. Mama. Ooh. It's Aaronimoses, baby. Yeah, I could sing too. Yeah, that's what I'll do. So this video is called body cam footage of a that injured 3 SWAT team members in Ogle County, Illinois. Bow. Oh damn! They came deep. Let's get this going.
He just hit. Hold on. I haven't heard a bang yet.
Order a banga.
Fire extinguisher.
Mama.
Heads up here. Heads up here. Step it up.
Order a banga. Buddy.
Wait. Ted. Bang out.
He was letting them all.
Shots fired! Ted's hit! Justin, I got you! Go get him! Get him! Got him! Here, pull! It's my arm, my left arm! See him! Back! Get up! Help me! Jesus, he's inside?
Is it inside? You sound like C-Mac. Frequently. Is he inside? Nigga, you a cuss. I'm good.
Are we going in?
No, he's going in for the...
I need another one. TC!
C-Mac just got off. That's a C-Mac fan. He's a C-Mac fan. Damn, bend it over, baby. Come get this.
I need to check your left side. I want you to go to your back.
Why you got in his head like that? Nasty.
Is this okay or no?
Damn, that's all the tissue y'all got?
Yeah.
Right here.
Yep.
He's back. If you can't breathe, Jay, go to your side.
I can breathe.
Okay. Stay right there for me, please.
I'm not moving.
Okay.
Who's down?
The bad guy.
Thank you.
The bad
Stay right
guy.
there for me.
I need to go on my side.
Go on the side. Come towards me. Come towards me.
He must be black. You meant the black
The only thing I
guy.
haven't checked is his
All right,
right
Jay, I'm doing a check on you, all right?
Okay.
I'm
So
taking
did
your
they
vest off.
subdue the assailant?
If you can help, that's great.
Yeah, I know a little.
I got you, Jay. Just
Sounds like we got one in custody.
Okay, they oh, he must have been a...
I'm doing a check, Jay. Check for blood. Hang
If
on.
he was black, they would have...
Danny, can you check my hands right after I do this?
Why are you touching him like that, guys? Leave him alone! Nasty!
Anywhere else besides your face, you're good.
Why you touching him like that,
Cover
bro?
your mouth.
Blood. Why is you touching him, cuz, like that? Cuz, blood? Why you caressing him like that? Why you being so sensual? You a sensual
Head
gentleman.
gut.
You're a
But you
sensual.
gotta walk.
Nigga, they need to call. What's his name? Officer Sensual? That man is sensual. That nigga is a person of pursuit.
You good, John? I'm good.
Yeah, hey, no Paul, no Diddy, but you acting like a little
Coming in
good.
the house. Blue coming in the house.
Damn, they ate
You're
that
inside?
thing good.
Medic inside.
Okay, Officer Sensual, I'm not gonna support you on Patreon. I'm not gonna do that just because. But at the end of the day, it is what it is. Not what it's not. It's ammo. It's on the band. You the band. Man, I'm about to smoke another cigarette. Man, yeah, stressing me out. Yeah, gang.